Hi friends, we are on the second phase of our journey towards Shimoga city in Vistadom coach attached to Yeshwanthpur Shimoga city train which started from Yeshwanthpur and reached Tumkur at 10 am. After halting there for about 5 minutes, it has continued its journey towards Shimoga city. While sitting comfortably in the Vistadome coach, I am thinking about Tumkur city itself. Tumkur city is a city located in the southern part of Indian state of Karnataka. It is situated at a distance of 70 kilometers northwest of Bangalore, the state's largest city and capital, along National Highway number 48 and National Highway number 73. It is the headquarters of the Tumkur district. It is located at an altitude of 835 meters. Tumkur hosts India's first mega food park, a project of Ministry of Food Processing. The India Food Park was inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in September 2014. Tumkur is also included in the Smart Cities Mission list and is among the 100 smart cities to be developed in India. Since 28th of August 2010, Tumkur has been accorded the status of a city corporation. Etymologically, the name of the city is believed to have been mutated possibly from Tumbe Huru because of the abundance of Tumbe Huvu, a kind of flower, or Tamet Uru because of the folk musical percussion instrument tamet that might have been used most here. It is also called Kalpataru Nadu, the land of coconut trees, due to the abundance of coconut trees in the area. Another story says that during the rule of Cholas, Gulur was their capital. Since Tumkur is at a high elevation, the guards used to be there on any hill with tumaki, a kind of drum, and used to make sound in case of any alerts, hence the name. The Indian central government approved the request to officially rename Tumkur and other 12 cities in October 2014. The city officially became Tumakuru on the first day of November 2014. Tumkur is a city in the southern state of Karnataka, India. It has a long history that dates back to prehistoric era. The region was known for its rich cultural heritage and was a major center for trade and commerce in ancient times. The city was ruled by various dynasties over the centuries, including Kadambas, the Gangas, the Cholas, and the Hoysalas. In the 16th century, Tumkur came under the rule of Vijayanagara Empire. During the 18th century, the region of Tumkur, along with Sitarabetta, Koratagere, Kuramkote area and surrounding villages, was ruled by Suvarnagiri Mahasamsthana and later ruled by the Odayars of Mysore. During the British colonial period, Tumkur was a major center for cotton and silk production. After India gained independence in 1947, Tumkur became a district in the state of Mysore, later renamed as Karnataka. Today, Tumkur is a rapidly developing city known for its industrial and agricultural production as well as its educational and cultural institutions. In the 19th century, Tumkur was a major center for the textile industry with cotton and silk mills being set up in the city. The British East India Company also established a cotton press in Tumkur, which led to an increase in agricultural production in the region. During this time, Tumkur also saw a growth in its transportation infrastructure with the construction of a railway line connecting the city to other major cities in the state. In the 20th century, Tumkur continued to be an important center for industry and agriculture. The city saw a rise in the production of milk with the establishment of Tumkur Silk City in the 1940s. The city was also a growth in the production of milk and milk products with the establishment of the Tumkur Milk Union in the 1960s. In the 1970s and 80s, Tumkur saw a rise in the number of small-scale industries, particularly in the fields of engineering and manufacturing. Today, Tumkur is a rapidly developing city with a growing population and a strong economy. It is known for its industrial and agricultural production as well as its educational and cultural institutions. Tumkur has a number of educational institutions including engineering colleges, medical colleges, and universities. The city is also home to a number of cultural and historical landmarks, including the Sri Gavi Gangadhareswara Temple, Sri Siddhaganga Mata, and the Tumkur Fort. While I am thinking about the history of Tumkuru, the train was heading towards Tarikere station after crossing Tipturu, Arasikare, Kadur, Birur to reach Tarikere. Tarikere railway station is a station located on the Birur-Talagupa railway line and has the station code TKE. Trains from Bangalore, Chikmagalur and Mysore stop at Tarikere on their way to Shimoga. Tarikere was also part of the Tarikere-Narasimharajapura tramway, a 27-mile narrow-gauge line that was completed in 1917. The Mysore State Railway owned and operated the tramway. Tarikere is a town, a taluk, and is one of the two subdivisional headquarters in the Chikmagalur district of Karnataka state, India. It is popularly known as the gateway of Malnad because the Malnad area starts from here. The town's name is derived from the number of water tanks which surround it here. Kere in Kannada language means a large water tank. Agriculture is the primary occupation in Tarikere. Betel nuts, paddy, ragi, areca nuts, coffee, coconuts, bananas, pan leaves, mangoes, and corn are the major types of crops grown in this region. Tarikere can be reached by road, rail, as well as air. National Highway number 69 from Bangalore to Honavar passes through Tarikere. From Mysore, it can be reached via Mysore Arasikare State Highway and then by National Highway number 69. From the district headquarters of Chikmagaluru, Tarikere can be reached in two different ways. It can be reached via Lingadahalli on State Highway number 57 and via Kadur and Birur on National Highway number 173. By air, it has to be reached either from Bangalore or from Hubli or from Bangalore. While so thinking about the history of Tarikere, the train has reached Tarikere station with sweet memories of the travel and also putting an end to the second phase of travel to Tarikere.